Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. May 23, 2025, Friday Racing. Just finish, katatapos lang, kanina lang ang karera sa araw ng Miyerkules. 5 win, 2 loss. Wala tayong baling rikit sa race 3 at wing heart sa last race 7. Hari naman, matapat ngayong araw ng Biyernes. Wishful thinking. Patuloy ang Faircom Rating-Based Handicap System Race, ang Summer Racing Festival at no bearing races pa rin. No effect. Meron tayong 7 races. Starting time ng karera alas 5 ng hapon, 5 p.m. Yung race 1 at race 3 ang 1,400. Yung race 2, 4, 5, 6 at 7 ay 1,200 meter distance. Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Sa race number 1. Winner take all covers races 1 to 7. Full gate. Kaya sabay merong pentapecta event at super 6 event ang race 1. Isang non-winner, 3-year-old and above maiden race placers. First choice natin, number 8, Giselle's Touch. Second choice, number 11, Royal Salute. At third choice, number 2, Gentleman Bell. Dumako tayo sa race number 2. Pick 6 covers races 2 to 7. First choice, number 6, Douglas Spear. NC Lunar Riding. Second choice, number 3, Chef Cat, kabayo ni Sir JC. AP Nabarosa on the saddle. Third choice, number 5, ang malamang na magdadala ng marcha o bandera, Professor Jones, JB Hernandez on top. Race 3, Pick 5 covers races 3 to 7. Ang ating pong cool and first and only choice, number 3, Babe in Hablot. Race 4, Pick 4 covers races 4 to 7. First choice, number 4, Golden Charger. Second choice, number 3, Simply JC. Galing sa lay-off, pahinga, pero napakaganda, impressive yung kanyang barrier run na ipinakita. Third choice, number 8, Sky Story. Baka kung kailan mas hindi inasahan, doon ito mag-win. Dumako na tayo sa race 5. Ang ating pong cool first and only choice, number 3, Golden Petita. Race 6, penultimate race na may pentafecta. First choice, number 4, Heavyweight. Second choice, number 7, Darna. Third choice, number 1, kabayo ni Sir JC. Tingin ko, nasa kondisyon, Doña Chichay. Last race, race 7, paratingan, race na may super 6. First cool choice natin, number 5, Barek na. Second choice, number 3, Sinag. Third choice, number 7, Marquis Angel. Happy racing! God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!